Laura Johnson has not been allowed to see or talk to her two young children since she was charged with murder, but she is hoping that after a hearing here at district court, that will change. Laura Johnson will soon find out if she's still being accused of murdering her husband Lloyd, a Farmington Hills attorney. Last week, she was charged with second-degree murder and practicing medicine without a license. But after days in jail, she was released on a personal bond. Prosecutors said they weren't sure they had the forensic evidence to support their theory. And then yesterday, a major announcement from the medical examiner, who determined Lloyd Johnson's death was not murder, but an accident related to an old wound from a boating mishap. Other factors, including morbid obesity and diabetes, contributed to his death.
I knew it all along. It just proved what I have been saying. I knew it. He was a very sick man.
In light of the medical examiner's findings, prosecutors have been going over this case. They could amend the charges, let them stand, or drop them. Laura Johnson maintains she did nothing to harm her husband, only care for his wound, as she says doctors instructed her to.
He had been festering in his body for 30 years. So I did my best to keep him alive, and I think I did a great job. As far as the wound care, they said that part looked excellent. I was instructed on what to do, and I did exactly what I was told to do. I never deviated.
Now, the Oakland County Medical Examiner tells me that the toxicology reports are not completed, but he does not believe that the toxicology reports will impact his findings in any way. Of course, again, we will find out what prosecutors will do in this case at 1:30 at this hearing here at District Court. We'll bring you all the latest updates on later editions of Action News and, of course, updates on WXYZ.com. Reporting live in Farmington Hills, Anu Prakash, Channel 7 Action News.
Yeah, so Anu, so even though the death was ruled accidental, she still could face other charges?
She could. At this point, prosecutors will only say that they can keep the charges the way they are. They could drop the murder charge. There is an alternative charge of manslaughter. Maybe they will charge her with that, or they could really do a host of anything. So we're really going to have to wait and find out what they do at 1:30 today.
Okay, appreciate that update. Thank you. Anu Prakash reporting live.